Alright guys, what's going on? It's Chrissy Woods. So we are going to do this quick video. I told y'all I would show y'all how to do this beautiful aesthetic on the iPhone. It's been like the thing going around YouTube lately, but it's just from the new update, the iOS, I think it's 14 update that dropped. It allows us to give our phones these beautiful aesthetics that just look amazing. So I'm just going to show you real quick how I do it, okay? So just kind of follow along. Now you're going to need two apps for this. So go to your app store, and the first thing I want you to do is type in Widgetsmith. Don't pay my husband no attention. He know I'm up here filming and he's down there being obnoxious. So type in Widgetsmith. When you get Widgetsmith, you're going to also go to the next one, Color Widgets. So you want to get both of those apps because you will need them, okay? So go ahead and download those. And the first thing let's do, let's figure out, or let me show you how to create these beautiful banners like you see here where it says don't quit in October and BU. I'm going to show you how to create those really quick in Widgetsmith. So you want to open up the Widgetsmith app. Now the first banner that I used was the medium banner. So you want to do add widget, and then you want to click on it again. And then we're going to click it again because we want to edit it. So the one that I used was the photo widget right here. And so down at the bottom you see where it says select photo. Now mind you, you got to already have the photos saved in your phone, okay? So you want to select photo. Let's see. Let's do this one. Uh-oh, did it not select? Okay, maybe I don't want to use that one. Let's do this one. Okay, that one did it. Now, I wouldn't use this one because I'm anal and it's like off-centered or whatever. But I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. So, let me go back. So, up at the top where it says here, medium number 6, we want to rename that. And you want to give it a name, like, I guess I'll call it Good Vibes. Because that's what it says, right? And hit save, okay? So like I do have a red page, but I'm not going to put it there because I don't want to mess it up. So you want to put your phone in jiggle mode where you hold down the icons and they start to jiggle, right? You want to hit this plus sign up here and you're going to type in Widgetsmith because we want to pull the widget from Widgetsmith, right? And remember we used a medium widget, so you want to hit add widget. Now, by default, it's going to give you that widget. You want to click it. You want to click widget again. And remember, we named it Good Vibes, so you want to click that one, okay? And boom, your Good Vibes widget is right there, and you want to hit done. So you do that for every single one. You do that for your small, you do that for your medium, and you do that for your large. So that's how you create the cute banners. So what I do to find really cute stuff, let me show you. Like I know I want to do certain colors on certain pages, and even before this came out I color coded all of my pages, all of my apps anyway. I color coded them. That's just how I think it works for me, so I color coded it. So like let's say I want to add something to like my pink, well let's do my green page, right? I'm gonna type in green aesthetic and I'm just gonna look at some really cool stuff. Like this is cute. I like this plant. I like that. That's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna look at some more stuff that just kind of sticks out to me that's green and really cute. Oh, I like goals. Let's save that one. And you hit those little 3 buttons and you put download. That's cute. The Chanel number 5. Let's download that. I really wanted some greenery. Like this is kind of cute. It's not really as green as I wanted it. And you just kind of find pictures that just kind of speak to you and the aesthetic that you're going for, right? So like see, this is super cute to me. Let's save that one. All right, that should be enough to get us going, right? So as you can see, we're going to remove this one because that is so not what we're going for. So we're going to remove widget. All right, so I kind of already have put my apps where I needed them as far as the green and everything goes. So let's move this one over. I want you to shake. Go in shake mode. All right, so this is pretty much, I think I'm going to keep it like green and yellow, so I might find two different. Now, why did you go over there? Oh, I know what I can do. I'm going to move this one over to the red to keep that green one from bouncing back over there. Perfect. So see, now they're all red. Okay, so let's create another widget. So let's go to our blue page, go to Widgetsmith. I'm actually going to delete that. Let's add a new widget like we did before. Let's do a photo. We go select a photo. And let's try this one. And let's name this one plants. I don't know. Plants. Save it. Alright, so now let's go to our green page. Let's get this back in shape mode. We'll go type in Widgetsmith. And remember, it was a medium widget, so we're going to add medium. And remember, by default, that one comes up, so we're going to change it to plants. I don't think I like that one, y'all. I don't think I like that one. So let's go back to Widgetsmith. It's kind of time consuming now. I don't know if nobody ain't told you. But you got to be sitting down and take your time to do this. But it's so fun. And it's so great once you get it to the point where you like it. So let's name this one Goals. Alright. Toggle mode. Let's do Widgetsmith right there. It was a medium. Remember, we're going to go to the one we named Goals. Yeah, that's actually kind of cute. What y'all think? I like that one. So I like to give it a different feel. So I might put another little widget down there somewhere. But let me show y'all something else too. So you can also put your phone in like jiggle mode or toggle mode. And then iPhone has their own widgets that they install too. So you hit the plus sign and it'll show you all of the apps here that are downloaded on your phone that actually have widgets. So it's really cool. So like your screen time, your weather, your shortcuts, the clock, calendar. It's so many different widgets that you can add into it without using Widgetsmith and without using the photo widget or the color widget. So it's different ones on here. Like if you have notes, then you can definitely add like a little reminder. Like if you want to put reminders and like your grocery list, you can make those into a widget as well. So it's so much that you can actually do with this phone now. It's just amazing. I know a lot of people like this one, the battery widget, and I have a phone, Apple Watch, and my AirPods. And when my AirPods are in, it'll tell me like the percentage of my battery for all three of those. But I just kind of keep that on this page here, okay? So that's that on that. Now I'm also going to show you guys how to create your own little icons like this, okay? So the best thing you can do is go to like Pinterest, or you can go to Google and say your color is pink. Oops, sorry. Say your color is pink, right? You want to type in, let's say like pink Facebook. Pink Facebook icon, right? And so you'll see all these different pink Facebook icons come up. You determine which one you like, you know? And you do like we did before, and you want to download the image because you want to save it to your phone, okay? So once you've done that, you're going to create what we call a shortcut for it. So Shortcuts is an app that actually comes on your iPhone. It's right here. and you want to hit plus because we're going to add a new one. We're going to, okay, so once you, hold on, oops. All right, so once you get to the Shortcuts app, we're going to open it up, and we're going to go to, oops, you're going to hit the plus sign right here. You're going to add an action, and we're actually going to type in open, because what we want to do, we want this button that we're creating to actually open Instagram, right? So you go type in open app, and you'll see it pop up down here. Then you're going to choose which app you want to open. So for us, because we just downloaded a Facebook icon, we're going to do Facebook, okay? You're going to hit next. Then you want to name it. Of course, it's going to be Facebook. Oh, I already have one, so we'll do Facebook 2. All right, you're going to click these 3 dots here. Oops. Oh, it may not let me do it because I already have one. Oh, so you hit the 3 little dots at the top. Did y'all see that? These 3 right here. And then you want to add it to home screen. And once you see this icon at the bottom where it says Facebook 2, you want to click that and you want to hit choose photo. And that's when we're going to select that icon, okay? Boom. You click add. You click done. Done. And then you'll see your Facebook on your home screen. Now the only thing about creating shortcuts is when you click it, it's going to go to shortcuts first and then it'll go to your Facebook. But it's like literally like a 2-second delay. It's not very, it's not that bad. It doesn't bother me that bad. Aesthetically, it looks amazing, so I love it. You know, so I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to go ahead and figure out how to delete this one because I don't need it. Alright, there we go. Done. Did it delete it? Yeah, I think it deleted it. Alright, so that's pretty much how you do that, and you'll do that for every single one. You do that for Instagram, Pinterest, anything that you pretty much want to create an icon for. So I know it was kind of quick, but I gotta pick up my son from practice. I really hope that helps you guys out. If not, let me know and I'll record another video and try to, or just leave your questions below at the bottom of this video, and I'll try to answer everything and help you guys out. But just take your time, figure out the aesthetic that you want. I knew I wanted each page color coded, and that's what I did. I moved all the icons around. If you don't want to color code it, you figure out what your aesthetic is and you just kind of roll with it. Alright, so I hope that helped y'all. I gotta go pick up my kid, so I'll see y'all soon. Bye.